Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is nested if and else. The marks obtained. Okay, before the discussion of the program, we need to know something that if else construct within either the body of the if statement or the body of the else statement. This is called nesting of ifs. Okay, if else construct within either the body of if statement or the body of an else statement. Because you see that I create the body of else statement. If else statement I create in here body of the body. You see this is the else body will start, then I create another else statement. Okay, if and else, because this is the if printf second division else, and if else is start. Okay, else is start, else body, and if and else statement I start. Okay, within the else statement. So this is the nest, this is called nesting if and else. So you can see in the program how each time a if else construct is nested within another if else construct. It is also indented to add clarity to the program. In calculate this habit of indentation. Otherwise you would end up writing programs which nobody can understand easily at a later date. Note that whether we indent or do not indent the program, indent, indent or do not indent the program, it does not alter the flow of execution of instruction in the program. In the above program, an if else occurs within the else block of the first if statement. Okay, so else block and else block of the first if statement. You see else block in here. You see that there is a else block and else block else block if else occurs within the else block of the first if statements. Similarly, in some other program, an if else may occur in the if block as well. There is no limit on how deeply the if else can be nested. So friends, now we will discuss a program with the examples. Okay, so let's start to discuss this program. Okay, the program is that the marks obtained by a student in 5 different subjects are input through the keyboard. The student gets a division as per the following rules: percentages above a or equal to 60 first division, percentage between 50 and 59 second divisions. You have to remember equals to 60, 50 to 59 second division, 40 and 49 third division, and less than 40 is for fail. Write a program to calculate. Write a program to calculate the divisions obtained by the students. So I write a program. First method, hash include studio.h main. So friends, in here you see that there is a 5 paper, so m1 m2 m3 m4 m5 and par. So at first I and enter marks in 5 subjects. Okay, in in compile output, you see output program enter enter marks in 5 subjects. In 5 subjects, so friends, the output is enter marks in 5 subjects. Enter marks in 5 subjects. This is the output. You will put the value in here. Suppose 45 subjects, 5 marks you will put. Then you will see that in output printf, they printf it is fail or third division or result second division according to their percentage. If the marks you will get percentage, and printf first division condition will, if condition will satisfy, then you can get first division, second division, third division, fail, etc. So this is the way of the finding out the marks and percentage, because in university and school they use this programming. Okay, method number 2 is hash include studio.h, same, but we use operator. Okay, now I want to say that C allows usage of 3 logical operators, namely and. This is the namely and operator. This is the logical operator. Logical operator, namely and or. This is and, this is or, this is or, and this is not, respectively. Not respectively. There are several things to note about these logical operators. Most obviously, 2 of them are composed double symbols and don't use the single symbol one and. These single symbols also have a meaning. They are bitwise operators. So okay, do not use only single symbol like this one and this. They are bit. This is the another is this symbol never used. Okay, the first 2 operators and or allow 2 more conditions to be combined in an if statement. These two, whatever I want to say, these two has to be combined in an if statement. Okay, if statement is the if statement. Okay, they are combined in if statement and or. So let's start to discuss. Same way, hash include you will put scanf and printf you will put, and printf first division when it is, and if and if. And operator is to combine 2 conditions. Second division get printed if both the condition evaluated to true. Okay, means this condition and this condition, both condition is evaluated true, then and this operation, then it is printf. And that operator used to combine 2 conditions. Second division gets printed if both the condition evaluate to true. If one of the conditions evaluate to false, then the whole thing is treated as false. Okay, 2 distinct advantage can be cited in favor of this program: the matching, or do I say mismatching, ifs with their corresponds else gets avoided. There are no else's in this program. Okay. So friends, you get and operator. Again, I use and operator in here. That if both condition will be will, then it is third division, and otherwise it is fail. Okay. So I hope I can clear this total programming. Now I discuss method 3. Method 3 is same, but we can use the else if clause. The else if clause. The else if clause, you can note that this program reduces the indentation of the statement. Okay, indentation of the statement. In this case, every else is associated with previous if. The last else goes to work only if all condition fail. Okay, so also if the first condition is satisfied, other conditions are not checked. Even in else if ladder, the last else is optional. Okay, note that the else if clause is nothing different. It is just a way of rearranging the else with the if that follows it. This would be evident if you look at the following code. Okay, this code I use that when we use if, suppose if this code I use, if I equals to 2, if I equals to 2, printf if nested if printf with u. Okay, this is one example for understanding, better understanding, with u. Okay, and this is the comma, and another factor else I will write else, then j, if j equals to, if j equals to 2, j equals to 2, printf all the time, all the time. Okay, so it is clear. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now next is that if I equals to, same programming, but I will show if I equals to 2, so printf with u, and if else if j equals to 2, else if j equals to 2, printf all the time. So I hope you can clear what they are working a same, but they are working a same, else if and if else. Okay, we can use same program. Another place where the logical operators are useful is when we want to write programs for complicated logics, then ultimately boil down to only two answers. Okay, now friends, what you see that this program reduces indentations of the statements. Thanks for watching. I hope it is clear for everyone.